Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know who I am, I just said it. It's Isabel Bedoya, and in today's video, we are gonna be trying on never thought I would say this on my channel, lingerie. We're gonna be doing a SAVAGEXFENTY try-on haul. They sent me their hottest, most popular lingerie, so stay tuned because it's a good one. It's a good one. It's a lot of skin, and I know y'all love that. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Also, I've been reading a lot of comments saying, why do I say my name so fast? It's because it's like my Instagram handle. It's Isabel Bedoya, so, and my name, so every time I go anywhere, it's like, I don't know, it's kind of imprinted in my head, so that's why I say it so fast. But you guys already know, like, it's Isabel Bedoya. I just don't want to say it like that, like, hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya. See, even like that, just know that's the reason. For those that don't know who SAVAGEXFENTY is, it's a brand founded by Rihanna herself, the motherfucking queen, okay? And of course, she is very inclusive with everything. Her clothing line, the other brands that she owns, they are all very inclusive, and I love that. So you guys will see all types of things that come in various sizes. So if you guys are ones that don't really find your size on lingerie, you came to the right spot. So if you guys want to see me almost naked, but not naked, but still sexy, but still classy, keep on watching. So this has to be one of my favorite pieces out of the whole collection that I received, because it's very like multi-use. You can wear this as a shirt. I would wear it as a shirt and put some pants, and then, you know, just call it a day. And then when it's that time, you just, you know, and you ready to go. So it's definitely one of my favorites. The shirt is very hugging, it's very nice. I love the lace wrapped around the plastic, like shiny material, because it just makes it look even more expensive. So they know what they was doing with it. They know exactly where they were going with this. And you guys can see right here, there's like 3 little lines. It's the little details, for real. I love it. I love it. I do have a scar right here from a tattoo that I got removed, so I'm a little self-conscious about it, very little. So I love that I can just, you know, adjust the straps. If you have a scar you want to cover, you can just go ahead and adjust them, and you're just like, you know, feeling confident. SAVAGEXFENTY is that website you go and buy your lingerie at, because they have sexy stuff. All under $50. All lingerie is under $50. It's insane to me because they carry hundreds of different types of lingerie, ranging from sizes 32A to 42H, extra small to 3X. Okay, that's insane to me that they could even provide that for all of us. And I love that because before, no company was doing that at all. So I love that they care about skinny to bigger people, which is, it's all about including everybody. So I love that they stand for that, and I think that's what really makes them different. I would give this a 9.5 for sure. This is one of my favorites. I think I'm even gonna wear this shirt tonight. I know I just said it, but I'm really about to do it. We have this one right here. I love this one. This is actually my first real bra. I've never really owned bras, so I really like it. I love the push that it gives me. It feels really comfortable. I really like this one as well. I love the little details, like the 2 straps. I have never worn a bra in my life. It's cute. I really like it, how it's giving me that push. You know, I'm a little self-conscious about my stomach, but this one, it just does it for me. Like, I would wear it in a intimate moment. I actually took a really cute picture with this, and it will be up soon on my Instagram. Hopefully by the time this video is up, it will be up. But I really like this style. And then the back looks like this. Pretty cute, pretty simple, but all the details are in the front. Like, this is where you're getting that, like, hi, I'm here. It's so cute. Okay, I rate this a 8. Just because, you know, some of my insecurities are a little out. So I rated it 8. Love the bra, love this. I wish they would have made this like a little thicker right here, this one right here, and then this like a little skinny moment, just because I know a lot of us, girls, boys, whatever, we, you know, there's some of us that have some problem areas here, so I would have liked that to be a little thicker. This is really cute, so I give it an 8. Oh bitch, this is cute as fuck, and I like the little curve that it's giving me. With this, I would give it a 7.9. I think that's fair. I think it makes it look very, very sexy, you know, when you want to just cover up, like when you want to show but not show too much, but you want to let them know what's up. This is it. The back is very revealing, so I don't think I'm allowed to show it here. It's very revealing in the back, very revealing, so just keep that in mind if you guys want to get it. I'm pretty sure the website will show y'all how it looks in the back. I love the lace with the mesh. Okay, we have this really cute pajama. Again, I wish it was tighter on me. Is it because I'm not the Kiana yet, or it's supposed to be comfy like this? But you know, this right here is like low-key throwing me a little off. If it was like this, bitch, I didn't see it, but it's not. So I'm gonna give the pajama a 5.56 because it's very comfortable. I love the material. What did I say like that? I love the material. It's mesh, but it doesn't feel mesh because it feels so freaking soft. I don't know how to explain it. Like if you guys get it, you all know what I'm talking about, but it's very comfortable. I love how this part right here, you guys see how flexible or like stretchable it is. You know, I could pull some tricks in this. Y'all could either wear it with underwear or no underwear, depending, you know, what type of vibe y'all are on. And I love this part right here too. You know, it just covers the right areas, but you're still showing the goods. I could do this really weird thing with my stomach. Like I could like, I don't want to do it right now, but I can do that. And I don't really work out, but I do that a lot to like kind of maintain the abs. It kind of hurts to do it when I talk, but you know, she's multi-talented. I'm done. I don't know how I feel about this. It's cute, but it's a little stiff for me. It's the stiffness for me. So I would give this a 7 because it's covering the right areas. You know, I live, but I don't know how I feel about the plastic. You know, like you're just like making sounds. And I love that the underwear matches this, which I also have another piece that's about to match the underwear. So fire. The one I'm about to show y'all is one of my favorite pieces, and y'all will see why, because I've never seen anything like it. This has to be one of my favorite pieces of all time, like on anything. This is that outfit when you go to the strip club, like the popping stripper got this on for sure. Like if she got this on, go to her. She's the fire one out of the whole strip club, because this is giving it to me. And I love that it goes tied right here to the foot, and this is how it looks in the back. It just all goes connected. I give this one a 10. I love this one. Like when I first got it, I was like, bitch, what is that? And then I tried it on, and I also took a picture with this one for Instagram because it's like so appropriate but unappropriate at the same time, and I freaking live. You know, if I'm with my man, I wouldn't wear the underwear preferably, but if you want to, you could wear underwear. I wish it wasn't so see-through, because I would low-key pull up to the club like this. Not like this, but you know, I'll put some accessories or something on it to make it more appropriate. But I love this piece. I love how this is very like, anyone can wear this. If you're insecure about your body, if you are confident, if you don't like some part of something of your body, like whatever situation it is, this will really like make you feel really sexy. And that is something SAVAGEXFENTY is really known about. They have so many different pieces for different shapes, sizes, and all that stuff that can just give it to you, you know. If you guys like anything that I just showed you, from the bralettes to the lingerie to the thongs to literally anything, there is a VIP program, like a VIP subscription, and it's not like any of the other ones, because this one is actually fire and it's beneficial for you. Like, you know how some people try to scam you, some people, aka some companies, try to scam you. Listen, SAVAGEXFENTY did not come to play. They're very transparent with everything that they have going on. So I'm gonna tell y'all how that works right now. You can get 2 bras for $29 plus 50% off everything else. You could get undies as low as $7, bralettes for $10, bras for $15, and sleepwear for $17. That is a freaking deal. So as a member, you get 25% off every single day, free shipping over $49. Also, there's no minimum for y'all to spend. So if you guys want to buy something, you know, whatever it is y'all want to buy, you still get the benefits of a VIP extra member, which is amazing. So you know what, shout out to SAVAGEXFENTY and Rihanna for putting this line together. You guys did so good. The quality, okay, the quality is amazing. The pricing, amazing. Like, the material is so soft. It's so like it's just stretchy. I don't know how to explain it, but the material is very fucking amazing. And I love that it's affordable. Like I said before, everything on their website is under $50, okay? At the end of the day, like, sometimes I'm not that confident, but with this lingerie that they sent me, I'm like, okay, like my confidence boost just really went up. And I love that I got that on camera because I'm really shy with lingerie or just trying like really sexy things on. Like, I don't like doing that because I don't like to feel disappointed. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and leave any comments down below, any questions, any doubts. All the items will be also linked down below in the description box, and the deal, I will also write it down just in case you guys want to go check it out. Also, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram right here. I'm gonna be posting very sexy pictures, so if you guys don't follow me there, make sure you guys go.